Well, good afternoon, my friends. I hope that you're having a good day. And I have a couple of cameras running right now because I want to share with you something that Zoom released in the latest update. So as we go through this, I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of the new Immersive View. And what that means is that now you can bring a better experience for the attendees that are running a meeting. And one of the cool things is that some of the products have something similar, so teams have an option for that. So what I'm going to be doing is giving you a complete walkthrough of this. So I have two cameras running. I think that this computer is getting a little bit overloaded, but I'm just going to share with you how you can start leveraging it with the built-in backgrounds for your meeting. So let me change my screen in here. So right now you are seeing my Zoom screen. And as you can see, there's two of us because I actually have another computer right now. And with the inverse option, what happened is that you click on inverse and it's gonna give you the capability to see the different features or backgrounds, so you can now have an immersive experience. That means that you can bring it like if it will be an interview or a classroom setting. So you can use this if you're teaching something. And let me go all the way up. So you have one that look like an art gallery. So there will be 5 people right in front of it. The second one is like an auditorium. The next one is like a boardroom. So I like that boardroom. So if you, all that you have to do is that you click on it, and when you click start, it will automatically place the people that are on the call within that area. And one of the cool things that you can do is that you can move and you can resize the person. So let's say you want to do it a little bit bigger, so you can move it, and then they can automatically attach to where they should be. You can go back to view and change that, and let's say that I want an interview style. I like this one. It's like a cafe. You're taking a coffee with someone, and right there the other person that was on the Zoom session will appear also right here with you. And you're seeing a little bit of a delay because I have, like I said, I have that other camera. And right here, now you have an interaction like if you were connecting with them right away, and then bringing a different experience, not just the regular black background. So as you can see, this is leveraging the blur background from the back end and then bringing that experience into this session. So this is a brand new feature for Zoom, and you need to be running the latest client 5.6.4. So just check, go to your Zoom app, and you can go and do check for updates, and it should find it. It was dropped, I think, a day or two ago from when I'm recording this video. And you can then, if you don't want to use it, you just click view, go back to gallery or speaker view, and you're gonna go stop, and then we'll bring you to the regular Zoom experience that you will have with anyone. But I'm gonna go back in there because there's a couple of cool things that I want to share with you. One of the options you see here that says place participants into view automatically. That means that it will detect, let me, so you can see my face. That will detect who you are and it will put it automatically. You can change it so you can then manually place people. The automatic is easier because as people come in and they're empty spaces, you can position them. But if you want to change and use your own immersed background, that is just a regular Zoom image background, then you can change it. So this one here is a classroom. So you can put a classroom. So I'm going to put myself on a classroom. And then when it automatically change, I can then be in the middle, move the student, and when it does the background, you're gonna go there. There you go. So now I can be presenting and we're talking like we're on a classroom setting. You can then get it a little bigger and then continue and do everything else as you will do on Zoom normally without a problem. There's also, let me change this one here. This one is on a kitchen. So if you're talking about cooking or doing something, or that's a background that you like, then you have here a different experience also that you can connect and then share whatever you're doing. And all this, what it does is that it allows you to then have a different experience for your connection with your audience. So, my friends, again, when you come and you need to have more than one person connected, all that you have to do, click on view, and you will see immerse in there. So here is something that is interesting. So let me switch back in my. So based on the size of your meeting, so if you have more than 25 people, only 25 people can be put on the immerse session. The rest gonna be put on the bottom. So if you have a larger meeting, then you cannot use the immerse, or you cannot place the additional people on the immerse. From the instructions, it mentioned that only the first 25 are the ones that are going to be allowed to get into the immerse session. So with that in mind, this has been awesome to see you, and hope this has been helpful. Share this so you can get your meetings to be more interactive, and we'll see you on our next video.